Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate font licensing checks on MyFonts. Quick to activate font licensing checks on MyFonts, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the MyFonts website. Log into your MyFonts account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the account section on the top right corner. Click on Account to access your account settings. Look for the licensing option in the menu. Select Licensing to view your font licensing details. You will see an option for Font Licensing Checks. Click on that option to proceed. This will open a new page with licensing check settings. Enable the licensing check feature by toggling the switch to the on position. You may see additional options for customizing the checks. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. After making your selections, scroll down to find the Save button. Click Save to apply the changes. Your font licensing checks are now activated. You will receive notifications regarding any licensing issues going forward. For further assistance, refer to the Help section on the site. You're now ready to ensure compliance with your font licenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.